The pellet transport belt made by White Ash Pellet Press is a kind of continuous transport of pelleted materials in the production process of machinery, has the advantages of simple structure, reliable work, convenient operation, and strong material adaptability. Its transport distance can reach several meters, dozens of meters, and even hundreds of meters. In the running process of the belt, if there is a section of the belt, or all the belt along the support device transverse movement, offset to the side of the conveyor support device, it is called deviation. In order to prevent deviation, the installation quality of the frame should be ensured to meet the installation standard of the conveyor. When the foundation is unstable, the anchor bolts should be fixed, the bad old idlers should be replaced in time, the heavy load should be avoided in the place with slope, and the brake holding device should be kept in good condition. At the same time, in the process of operation, should be found in time, and deal with the press and belt skid accident.